Hey online entrepreneurs, it's Grace here from Printbest, your print-on-demand partner. Today's video is for anyone who has thought about starting their own print-on-demand business, but isn't sure how to begin. When done right, you can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars using print-on-demand. So we're gonna help you get into the game with 7 steps that turn your online business dreams into reality. Before we jump in, let us know in the comments what are some print-on-demand topics that you want to learn more about. Then be sure to subscribe to our channel because we're always creating new videos to help you achieve your online business goals. Now let's get started. Step 1, decide what you want to sell. New business owners often start with t-shirts, which are a great choice because they're so profitable. You may want to check out our other videos on 9 reasons to start selling t-shirts. But don't limit yourself to just t-shirts. With print on demand, you can sell a huge range of products without investing any additional money. By offering more products like hoodies, mugs, and even puzzles, you give your customers more reasons to place an order. You don't need to keep any inventory, so take the risk-free opportunity to test new products. It's also a great way to make the most of your designs. If you're curious about what products and styles are trending, our blog article talks about some of the biggest apparel trends right now, so click on the link in the description to get some money-making product ideas. Okay, so now that you've decided what you want to sell, let's move on to step 2. Pick your niche. A niche is a specific market that your products appeal to. Think about who's most likely to buy your product. Cat owners, coffee lovers, comic book fans. There are countless niches out there that you can target. Having a niche means you face a little less competition and it makes targeting your audience easier. That way you can focus your resources on reaching people who are more likely to buy your products. You don't have to please everyone. Now, here's another idea. You can also choose a cross niche. These are niches that are even more specific. An example of a cross niche would be young parents who love hockey or dog owners who enjoy gardening. Do some online research on your niche to understand what they want and how they spend. The more you understand them, the easier it will be to target them with your marketing. Step 3, make a design. Don't worry if graphic design isn't your forte. Your job is to think of an idea that will sell. Then you have a few options. If you have a sizable budget, you can simply pay a graphic designer to create it for you. But if you're just starting out with a very small budget, you can create your own designs on free software like Canva or Adobe Spark. Another option is creating designs using your print-on-demand partner's website. Printbest allows you to create your own design online and provides hundreds of royalty-free images that you can add into your designs. Step 4, it's finally time to start creating your online store. You can do this using either an e-commerce platform like Shopify or an online marketplace like Etsy. In our blog article, we compare their pros and cons, so click on the link in the description to learn more. Another way to start an online store is building a website using WordPress.com and then add the WooCommerce extension. Each method has its own disadvantages and advantages, so it really depends on your needs. At this stage, you should also buy a domain name. There are lots of places to do this, including HostGator, GoDaddy, Namecheap, and many more. Step 5, choose the right print-on-demand partner. You can work with multiple companies, but make sure that you start with a company that will help your business take off. Here are 7 questions you should ask when choosing a print-on-demand partner. Are their prices low enough for you to make a profit? What's their print quality like? How fast do they fulfill their orders? Where do they print and ship from? Do they offer a large range of products? How do they handle returns and refunds? And what are people saying about them in reviews? Printbest offers prices that are on average 20% lower than competitors, and we finish printing in 1 to 5 business days. Plus, our facility is located right here in North America. If you're interested in working with us, sign up for your free account by clicking the link in the description. Step 6, create a product. Your print-on-demand partner should have free integrations that allow you to easily customize and add their products to your store. Upload your design and take a look at the mock-up that gets generated. Then personalize the product listing and add it to your online store. And finally, step 7, promote your products. This is super important for new print-on-demand businesses. Get on social media, tell your friends and family about it, and set a budget for advertising. Even if it's just $5 on Facebook ads. Target your niche and find out where they hang out online. If you don't get sales at first, stay committed and find out how you can improve. Don't be afraid to make changes. Not all businesses are the same, so find out what works for your online store to maximize exposure that leads to sales. Those were 7 steps to starting your print-on-demand business. We know it can definitely seem like a daunting task, but take it one step at a time and you'll be on your way to running your own online store. Remember, a good print-on-demand company like Printbest isn't just a supplier, it's a partner that helps you build and grow your business every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to the Printbest channel where we help entrepreneurs and artists make money online. Make sure your notifications are turned on so that you don't miss out on any future videos packed with useful tips and strategies. Good luck, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.